This one's going to be the safest wild edibles. The sun's setting, boys and girls, so I ain't going to waste time. I'm going to rapid fire this. First up, we have got this sorrel. The plant generally grows in grassland and open pastures. The leaf is long and land-shaped and has these little pointy coattails. And upon a quick nibble, tastes like apple power or citrus. There is nothing overly poisonous that looks like this apart from this, because this has got the coattails, but hence look, there is no vein around the edge, and with this, it has got this vein around the edge. Now this can look like this when this is young, like this, but this grows in open pastures, and this does not. Number 2 on the list is this, hogweed. Hogweed is nice and furry on the inside with no kind of like evil looking spikes. Its leaf structure is lobed and they grow in pairs like so. And the only thing that's poisonous really that looks like this is this giant hogweed. The plant is spiky and evil looking and looks Jurassic, and it also grows, well, taller than me. Whereas common hogweed will only grow to the height of a small man, about yay high. And third on the list is this, wild garlic. Now, especially at this time of the year, wild garlic has these flower buds that look like they're wrapped in Rizzler. The leaves grow singularly from one stem, not 2 leaves to one stem, which is what it's poisonous looking like. Lily of the valley does. But the biggest giveaway of wild garlic is the smell. Pungent, pungent garlic, sir. If there ain't no garlic smell, then you ain't got no wild garlic, and then you'll be okay. And then 4th on the list we have got this little guy. Garlic mustard or hedge garlic. You have got these nice heart-shaped leaves with an undulating edge, and they are relatively bald. Same again, there is hardly anything that looks like this that is poisonous, but the one that does has got a lot more hair on it. And then 5th on the list we have got this, stinging nettle out. Yes, we all know stinging nettle. If it don't sting, you ain't got it stinging nettle, boy. You know this well enough, boys and girls. Come on now. Well, I'm joking, my fingers are too tough to be stung, boy. Brucey bonus is this, cleavers, 6th on the list. Known as Sticky Willy, it does this. But although none of these plants have any lookalikes that are on my naughty list, you must always cross-reference against 3 different sources and always do your research before consuming anything wild.